Hi, it's Mike from the Cyber Guys, here with another 3-minute tech talk. And today I want to talk about VPNs, and specifically tunneling VPNs. What is tunneling all about? How does it work? What do we mean by that? There's a lot of interest now in VPNs, and sometimes you hear people say, I'm getting a VPN so that no one can track what I'm doing. Is that really true? What does it really mean? Well, first take the word itself, tunneling. Tunneling is a way of describing going through an environment without interacting in that environment, like going under a mountain or under a river. We use tunnels to traverse areas without wanting to have any interaction with that area. Well, sometimes we want to traverse the wild world of the internet where there are all sorts of bad actors, but we don't want to interact with that environment. In fact, we don't want that environment intercepting and interacting with our conversation. So we do that with tunneling. And really, the protocols of the internet were designed with encapsulation in mind, which makes tunneling a natural second. To understand this, we have to first understand the concept of encapsulation. This is a core principle with the way all network protocols work. All protocols have a portion that's the header and a portion that's the body or payload. Every protocol has its own type of protocol data unit that's divided into these two components. And this even works at high levels, like the applications. When a browser talks to a web server, it has an application protocol, and that application protocol has a header and a body. So let's say we had a situation where we have a central office and we have a field office. And a computer in the field office needs to communicate with a server in the central office. We'll call the user computer PC1 and we'll call the server S1. Now they're connected by the internet, but you don't want the traffic between the client and the server to be seen by anyone who's on the internet. So what do? We tunnel. The first step in tunneling is to simply address the traffic from the source to the destination, sharing the same local information. But that information then needs to be encrypted, and once it's encrypted, then it's ready to become a payload that can traverse the internet. We'll add new headers, new source and destination information to go to the counterpart in the exchange between the two sides. Now, once it gets to the other side, that process has to happen in reverse. So the fourth step is to simply strip off the header and trailer, the information that was used to tunnel across the internet, and then pass the information on to the local guy. The original source and destination information is there. They had no knowledge of the fact that their traffic actually traversed a totally separate network with a totally different addressing scheme, namely the public internet. As long as the payload is encrypted, when it traverses the internet, you're tunneling. And that's really what tunneling is all about. The whole process shows that there are 3 different versions of the same packet. So what is the full packet in the private environment is just an encrypted payload in the public traffic. Well, that's basically what tunneling is and how it works. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.